guys, welcome back to the channel and another toasty pie challenge. This time I'm doing for my lunch, because the other one was my breakfast. I'm doing roast pork, beans and cheese, and I will bring it back shortly. As you can see from the previous video, I have again buttered the bottom of the bread, placed the bread in the toasty pie maker. I've got a layer of roast pork and a few scoops of beans, just for a bit of added flavour. And I'm going to add cheese to it. As you can see, we've now added the cheese. We place the last piece of bread on the top, like so. We close it down, clamp it, and I'll bring you back when I start cooking it. So guys, the same as last time, I'm using the little camp stove with the butane gas. These are really simple, really easy little things to set up. Don't want to lose the lid. Effectively, you slot it in place. Okay, with that, that's really important. You press lock. Okay, that slides it into place and locks it open, ready to use. And then to ignite it, you turn the gas on, flick it round, and there it is. You can't see it, but I can definitely feel it. It's definitely on. Let's turn it off, and it stops the gas. There's no gas. Okay, guys, so here I am outside cooking. One of the good things about toasty pies or toasty sandwich makers, you can use up leftovers. I think they're really, really good for that. You can bung all sorts of stuff in between two slices of bread, make yourself a toasty sandwich, and they're banging. So I'll bring you back when this one's all cooked and you get to see what it's like. Just a couple of safety tips while I'm out here cooking, guys. Please remember that you should use gas products in a ventilated area, and anything that you cook in a toasty pie maker, just remember that the insides can be very, very hot and they can scald, so please be careful. I would say use common sense, but there are a lot of people, look at that, how's that? A lot of people don't seem to have common sense, so I'm going to put the warning out there. Please be mindful, please enjoy our outdoors, but do it safely, do it in a responsible manner. And there you go, guys, there's the finished product. That is a cheese, bean and roast pork toasty. I'm going to enjoy that for my lunch. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and share. And Kiwi out.